Uh, Once more, here I am again in order to teach how to count. Counting, I say we're not gonna say goodbye to counting. Whenever I have something to count, I bring it, we count it. We're not gonna count to 100, 1 to 100, but we're just gonna count 1 to, for instance, to 10. Last time we count the different things. Today I have banana again. So because I have them, I want to show some of them what banana look like. Okay, for people who do not know what banana is. So this is one banana. We'll say dikonde dimo, makonde abiri, makonde asatu, makonde ana, atano, asamba abiri, mwanda, kitema, dikumi. Dikumi ne dimo. Dikonde dimo. So we have I also brought some miembe again. I love to say miembe because I know that we grew up with those miembe in North Katanga. So one mwembe, which is sorry, one, which means one mango. It's gonna be what? One mango will be mwembe umo, miembe ibiri, miembe satu, miembe ina, miembe itano, miembe isamba ibiri, mwanda, kitema, dikumi. And then we can even count the minwe. We already count many times. Mune umo, ibidi, isatu, ina, itano, isamba ibidi, mwanda, kitema, dikumi. We can count something else I brought. This, we call it diyi. Diyi dimo, mayi abidi, mayi asatu, mayi ana, atano, asamba abidi, mwanda, kitema, dikumi. And so there's many variants in counting. I love to bring all different things to count, and so to make a difference we can count. There's many things to count, and when we count them, things change. The count change. And I even had we counted the fork before. Fork, knife, and spoon. Spoon, we will say lupawa lumo, pawa ibidi, isatu, ina, itano, isamba ibidi, mwanda, kitema, dikumi. I didn't write it down, so I'm not going to be writing down everything, but at least I want to bring that difference in the counting. So pawa means spoon, and lupete means a knife. So lupete, let's count lupete. We're going to say lupete, lumo. See, one become lumo this time because we're talking about lupete. Lupete, lumo, pete, ibidi, isatu, ina, itano, isamba ibidi, mwanda, kitema, dikumi. If we were counting a fork, we already count fork. We were saying lukanya, lumo, ibidi, isatu, ina, itano, isamba ibidi, mwanda, kitema, dikumi. So that was the sense of this video. It has to count things wherever I found, whatever new thing I found, we could count it. We could count books. We could count books. We could say, for instance, the book. We can say the book in Kiluba is diwuku. Diwuku dimo, mabuku. Okay, dibuku dimo, mabuku abidi, mabuku asatu, mabuku ana, atano, asamba abidi, mwanda, kitema, dikumi. See, we're doing great in all those counting. So, looking forward talking to you, counting together. Again, I'm very glad that we all improving. I believe that those who have been following me since the first video, they are very knowledgeable by now how to count. Almost every week I come up with how to count, and if I discover something which was difficult, and that time I bring it back in order to count. Let's count, and counting will be no issues by next year. If everything goes fine, we'll learn a lot. So please, let's keep pounding in this. Let's improve our counting in Kiluba so that we can focus on what is, because counting is basic, we have focus on what is the most important. Of course, some people say, if you know the basic, you know what, or whatever they call, whatever will follow, whatever is advanced. So basic is probably, I'm going to reverse it, basic is probably the most important thing to retain for anything. All right. Thank you for being there, and God bless you. And wafwako, lalapo, 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 lalapo. Thank you.